Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, and this time I'm going to transform myself into Cruella de Vil. If you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to use LA Colors Face Primer all over my face, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use this LA Colors Auto Eyeliner to fill in my eyebrows, and then this eyebrow comb and brush to shape them, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors Conceal It Concealer in Fair all around my eyebrows and on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use the Addams Family face powder to set the eyeshadow base, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use this NYX Professional eyeshadow in Stripped and this flat precision brush above my crease, going out and connecting it to the outer corner of my eye, like this. Now I'm going to use this packing brush to blend it in with the white, like this. Now if you have to, add more black and keep blending until it reaches a dark to light shade. If you have to, because of all the black, add a little more white face powder or eyeshadow in the middle to brighten it up. Also, add a little black eyeshadow using a smudge brush underneath the eyes, like this. Now using my favorite marker eyeliner, I'm going to make cat eyes on both eyes, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black on my waterlines, like this. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply LA Colors Lash Building Mascara on both the top and bottom lashes, like this. Okay, Next, I'm going to be applying L.A. Colors 3D Lashes and Bewitched with L.A. Colors Lash Adhesive. Okay, now I'm going to use this silvery white L.A. Colors eyeliner on the inner corners of my eyes like this. Okay, now I'm going to mix a little bit of white face paint with my L.A. Colors Truly Matte Foundation and apply it all over my face with a damp beauty sponge, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use L.A. Colors Conceal It Concealer in Fair and L.A. Colors Conceal Correct in Peach under my eyes, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use L.A. Colors Conceal Correct Highlighter and L.A. Colors Concealer in Medium to Conceal for my highlighting and contouring, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use NYX Professional HD Studio finishing powder all over my face, like this. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to use Wetnwild's Lipliner in Red the Scene and Wetnwild's Liquid Cat Eye lipstick in Missy and Fierce, like this. And now I'm going to apply my wig, like this.
But I'm not falling, even if I'm holding a little. No, I'm not falling. But when did I get lost in the middle of time? But I'm not falling, even if I'm holding a little. No, I'm not falling. But when did I get lost in the middle of time?
Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And don't forget, you can become a huge part of our MissStarTv family by following us and supporting us on Patreon. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye!